In this video, I will show you how to upload a PDF file to Wix website. In order to do this, what we can do is we can click on this plus icon right around here. And then after that, it will open in here a window that will prompt you all of these things. So you can click on the search option and then search in here for file option. So let's search in here for file. And then once you have searched in here for file, you should be able to see in here this. You can actually let visitors upload a document, or you can already upload in here a document for your actual file. So let's head over and choose in here this document button. Now choosing here a PDF file option, like for example this one right here, just click on it and then put it right around here. Now, once you have done that, it will open in here this one, and it should be able to open a window that actually prompts you to choose a document that you will add for this. So let's head over and then click on this upload media in order to upload in here a PDF file for our actual website. We have in here this, so click on this add to page option, and then it should be added right here on this particular document, and we have successfully uploaded the file.